Welcome back. So it looks like you've tried a few of these, you're still having a hard time. So what I thought we should do is take one of these and go through an example. Now, predicted areas that you might be having a hard time, again, the distributive property, then the algebraic equation, which is difficult in itself. Also, what's probably surprising you is how many of these have weird fraction answers. We'll get into that in 1 second. So, with an equation like this, I have a couple different options. I'm going to choose to distribute first. I like to get rid of those parentheses if at all possible. So I have to bring this 3 all the way through. 3 times 6x is going to give me my 18x. 3 times 9 is going to give me 27. And I still have an answer of 2. All right. Looking at this, I know that this x is going to be some strange number, probably a negative, a decimal, a fraction, because I have 2 big numbers, I'm ending up with a smaller number. Important to make self-checks like that. If x equals 100, there's no possible way I did that right. So understand what you're working with. So I look at it like this. Again, if I block out this 18x, something plus 27 is going to equal 2, okay? Now, that's got to be a negative number, right? Not sure which one it is? We'll go the regular route. Let's subtract 27 from each side. 2 minus 27 is going to give us our negative 25. And what we're left over here after these cancel each other out is just an 18x. 18 times what equals negative 25? Just off the top of my head, I know I'm not dealing with a whole number, so I'm going to have a fraction. And since this is a negative, this is a positive, I know it's going to be a negative fraction. Everybody's dream, right? So, believe it or not, you are 1 step away from having this problem down. I don't know what x is going to be because 18 times something doesn't equal negative 25 off the top of my head. I'm going to divide both sides by 18 to figure this out. Now, I have x equals negative 25 over 18. Great thing about fractions is they are as accurate as you can possibly get. This is your answer. Now, when you type it in on assessments, understand that it's going to be negative 25/18, okay? And you should be good to go. So make sure you're distributing correctly, make sure that you're solving correctly, and make sure you're leaving it in the proper form, and don't get distracted or scared because of these fraction answers. They're just as good as any other number. All right, good luck.